get a little help from Marty here and everybody else.
Stop right away.
I'm going backwards, right? Yes.
Come on, Woody.
Get out of your way.
You're fine.
Get out of the way.
I'll try it again. Didn't learn his lesson the first time. Gotta try it again, right?
Look good. Keep it. Go driver a little bit. Straight ahead. A little more driver.
It's probably the better pictures from up front. Oh well.
A little more driver. Okay.
Back tires
Straight
starting to
ahead.
come up.
Yeah, the back's ramping it good. Yeah.
Back's coming up.
Yeah, going down.
Go passenger a little bit. We're gonna stay on it.
Hey, I found it!
You saw it?
Right there.
Hey.
I said I dropped it somewhere.
It was right under the Jeep.
Yeah. Wait, Mitch, I want a picture. Don't go nowhere. Hold on. Hold him to stay right there, okay? No, not yet. Don't go. Mitch, don't go.
Boulder right there, isn't there? Your turn.
His diff's gonna hit.
Well, I guess
No,
I
I missed it.
bypassed it by
Cool.
because of missed. I can't do it now. I'm
Yeah.
already up here.
He knocked all the rocks. Yeah.
What's going on here?
His back end's really low and it's hitting that rock.
It's not hitting it though, is it, Haley? Oh, maybe. Yeah, he's on his diff.
5 minutes, I'll figure out everything.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're a teenager. You gotta. Almost a teenager.
No, I am a teenager.
Okay.
You got it?
Oh, yeah.